Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking this delicious chicken chow mein with gravy, or we can also call it fried chicken noodles with gravy. This is a popular noodle dish in Chinese restaurants and takeaways. It is also one of my favorite noodle dishes. Let's check out the ingredients and start cooking now. 1 piece of Cantonese egg noodles. I believe you can find it in Chinese grocery shop. Cook the noodle first in the boiling water. Wait until the noodle is all loosened and then cook for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, drain the water and then rinse under the tap water to cool down the noodles. After the noodle cooled down, put aside waiting for cooking. 4 fresh shitake mushroom. You can also use dried shitake mushroom. Slice the mushrooms. 4 slices of carrot. I use carrot to enhance the color only. If you like to eat carrot, you can put more carrot in. Cut the carrot to strips. Few straws of green onions. Cut the onion to about 4 to 5 centimeters long. A handful of cabbage. Cut the cabbage to bite sizes. 120 gram chicken breast. Cut the chicken breast to thin long strips. Marinate the chicken with 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, half teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon oil, and 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix the seasoning and the chicken meat thoroughly. Finally, we need to prepare a gravy. 200 ml water, 2 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon vegetable and mushroom seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Mix everything well together and then put aside waiting for cooking. Put 1.5 tablespoon oil to the hot pan. Put the noodles in. Spread the noodles evenly on the pan. Let the noodles stay still at the pan to be heated up and evaporated the moisture first. Give it a stir around 1 minute later and then let it stay still to the pan again. Repeat this process every 1 minute until you see some strips of the noodles dehydrated and turned a little bit brown. The noodle is done for my preference. If you like very crispy noodles, you can cook it for a longer time. Transfer the noodles to a plate. Use the same pan, add 1.5 tablespoon oil in. Saute the shiitake mushroom first until the fragrance slightly released. Then add the chicken meat in. Cook the chicken meat until both sides turns white. Then mix with the shiitake mushroom and give it a good few toasts. Push to the side and add half a tablespoon oil to the pan to cook the cabbage. Saute the cabbage for about 1 minute Then mix with the chicken meat and shiitake mushroom. Saute everything together for another minute, then put the carrot in. Give it a good toast for about 1 minute. Then we can put the gravy water in. Remember to mix the gravy water thoroughly before putting to the pan. Keep stirring slowly until the gravy water thickened. Final tasting. Add more salt if needed. Give a good stir after adding the salt to mix the salt with the veggie and meat. Finally, put the green onion in. Give it a few more toasts. Then the noodle topping is done. Pour the toppings on the noodles. Then this chicken noodle dish is done. Look at it. They look so delicious. The sauce coated on the noodles and makes the noodles are very flavorful. I love saucy noodles, and the meat can be swatted to beef, pork, or a combination of them. Give it a try, and I hope you will like it too. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you will like this video, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!